Okay, so today we have a Bobby Dazzler of a property for you, an absolutely cracking Mediterranean style villa in the heart of central Portugal. So, as is our custom, we're going to take a look from the air and have a look at the basic detail of the property. There are 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, or 3 showers, 1 bath. The house has 251 square meters. The covered area is 457 square meters. The lot size is 1,550 in total, and there is a heated swimming pool, which is not 10 square meters, but 50 square meters. It is 10 by 5 meters. So let's have a look at the maps. Coimbra is 34 minutes away, the beach is just 48 minutes away, and Lisbon and Porto airports are more or less equidistant at an hour and 40 minutes. But a quick shopping trip to Pombal can be achieved in 25 minutes. I have included the floor plan so that you can get a good idea of the layout. So let's get back to the property, and we can see quite clearly the solar panels on the roof. The electricity bills here are a staggering €25 a month on average. So that's a real bonus. And with all of the insulation and the heating methods, this house has an A+ energy category. The solar also runs the pump of the swimming pool as well as everything else. So basically the swimming pool costs you nothing, and you've got a pretty much all year round pool, and it doesn't cost you a penny except for the chemicals. So I mean, big bonus. Let's get down on the ground and find Sarah and have a proper look around the house.
Good morning, another beautiful day and a particularly fantastic property for you this morning. We have a 5-bedroom property, great location in between Anchiao and Coimbra. It's absolutely beautiful, built in 2006, immaculate condition, large lounge, snug, large kitchen diner, heated pool, solar panels. So let's go in and have a look. As you can see, the garden, it's an extensive garden. It's always planted by the current owners. They've been the only owners of this property. It's low maintenance, beautiful trees. We have this beautiful 5-bedroom villa, great location, low maintenance gardens, extensive land, very private. So Paul and the camera have just walked through the main double gates, which are electric. There are also another set of double gates further along, and a single gate here which leads up between 2 sets of matching trees. So we have the trees here they're a type of red robin with the new leaves of the red, and then coming through these ferns here, it makes for a very pretty entrance to the property. There we go. Now what we also have is an absolutely beautiful hallway. So look at this, beautiful height, lovely wood finishings. It really is in immaculate condition. Obviously we'll go upstairs afterwards and we'll cover the first floor first. So from the front door, we're going to go straight into the lounge, come dining room. It's a lovely big space. 3 lots of double doors, glass double doors. And we have, as we mentioned before, we've got the central heating in. So there's 2 large radiators in here. The dining table seats 6. There's large units. It's a very good space. You can see that doorway to the left of the fireplace. That goes to the kitchen where we'll go next. Maybe you'd like to get a slightly closer shot of the fire. It's a very beautiful stone fireplace there. And the fan for this fire from the chimney actually goes to the upstairs. The vent for it is upstairs on the landing area. So it gives heat up there. Now from here into the kitchen. We have the same floor tiles throughout, which means it flows beautifully, apart from Paul reversing into furniture, and the same wood throughout as well. So this is extensive, and there we go. So we've got the double sink, the doorway through to the lounge we've just come out of. And as you carry on all the way around, you'll see the back door, which you would normally use because your car would be parked at the garage. So the property to the right
you'd live outside there a lot, wouldn't you? I mean, you've got the barbecue area, all that seating area, your garage, your pool.
So yes, the point was that really, although the hallway is fantastic, you'd normally enter into the kitchen,
exactly.
and you wouldn't be walking through your lounge.
Yeah, it makes sense.
So what we've got here that we haven't shown you, there is a large, I don't need to be in there, an extensive larder. There's plenty of storage area there. There you go. And then I think if you go through to the left door, we come first to a bathroom on the left-hand side. Lovely blue, nice colours. The shower, bidet, toilet, and large wash basin. Heated towel rails. Now the floor tiles, once you leave, so we've got the kitchen and the lounge and all of the hallway with the same floor tiles. And then the bathroom is the pale blue, and then the room on the left. Now this would designed, it's a 5th bedroom. So if you had somebody who needed to be on the ground floor and with easy access to bathroom facilities, this would be their bedroom. This family currently use it as sort of a second lounge, a snug and an office. Works perfectly well. Again, nice and light, double glazing throughout, double aspect windows, and we're back into that lovely big hallway. So
You've got a circle.
Oh yes. This we've got one small storage room here. You don't really need to see it. It's under the stairs storage. And then maybe if you look up with the camera, I guess you can see it afterwards. The light coming in. There's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 windows in this front wall, which means the light coming in here is really good. Although we tend to put the lights on just for the camera because it makes a better light. The glass, you can't see through it. I don't want to say frosted glass. I'm sure there's a better word for it, more up to date. But it's very private. And then we have 4 large bedrooms up here and this large central hallway. So we're going to the right first. Now the 2 front bedrooms both have balconies. I haven't opened the door. No, what I did was to remind me to show you that we've got the double aspect doors. But then you've got your own personal balcony here.
Yeah, this one's a covered balcony.
Yeah, so right now it's shady. Coming in. So double bed, huge wardrobe, as you can see there. The built-in wardrobes are very large in all of the rooms. And everything's in really nice condition. And there's a lovely use of colour as well. As long as you like what you've got, you really don't need to do anything here. It's all just looks like it's been freshly decorated. So you might as well go to the next bedroom on the right-hand side there. Again, we have a sort of bluey turquoise feel here. This is a very large room. I think this is the biggest, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
It feels the biggest. You've got 2 big single beds in here. Plus, again, the extensive wardrobe. So you're not short of storage on any. You've got sort of level. You've got 3 bedside tables. You've got a table and chair. The sizes are just very, very good. But it feels like a home. Sometimes with extremely large houses, or just large houses, they feel a bit like a show home. which, you know, everyone's got a different taste, but this feels like a home to me. It is a home. Now, this is the blue, very, very nice blue. I love this colour. So here you have the spa bath. So like a jacuzzi bath there. A wash basin with storage space underneath. We have the bidet and the toilet, of course. And then coming to the right-hand room again. As you've probably spotted on the walls, there is an intercom system. So we've got that upstairs and downstairs. Now this room here, this is the ensuite. So something particularly like, again, the decor, I don't know if you can see it, but this wallpaper with this slide, it's like a fabric wallpaper. It's embossed and it's got a sparkle in it. That's me. And then so we're going into, this is the ensuite here. So it's a shower, bidet, WC and wash basin. This room doesn't have such a large wardrobe space, but there's still a good double wardrobe in the hallway here as you enter into the bedroom. And then going through into the final bedroom. Now this one has the sort of curved balcony, which gives that beautiful feature on the front corner of the property. I'll open the door for that for you. Again, really good size. They're all very nice doubles, generous doubles, let's say, generous doubles. Would you like me to open those? Yes, okay, let's have a look. So again, so this has the curve. Very pretty.
Yeah, it really sets off the house from the outside.
From the outside with this.
And it's nice to be here.
I mean, of course, you could grow something up there.
Yeah,
But just in itself, it just gives it something, just something different. Yeah.
I think that's probably what it was designed for,
Yeah.
really, wasn't it?
But without having anything there, it's still very, very pretty.
I'm just going to take a shot of it.
Yeah. I
I
think.
don't actually know what we're talking about.
Yeah. It's almost like a windmill wheel. That sums up the 4 bedrooms on this upstairs of the property, one of which is en suite, 2 of which have exterior balconies, all have built-in wardrobes, 2 of which are very large. To the left here, we have the area of the garden which has the majority of the fruit trees. We have lemons, orange, clementine, a pear, pomegranate, and I think there was a plum there and a fig as well. Again, low maintenance. There's a garden shed there for all your utensils. Oh, getting a pear picture. It's very well organised and looks very, very pretty. Now, as we go round to the right here, you can see that we have the double garages. And all the area, there's an extensive area at the back of the property here. We have a large covered shade area, which also houses the barbecue. And there are 3 rooms, there's 4 rooms here. Well, one of the doors goes into the garage, but if we start on this far right door here, hang on, shall I just come in and open that for you? So here you have laundry room, we have the hopper for the pellet burner, we have the tank for the water, and we also have the central dust vacuum system. Anything you'd like to add, Paul?
Yeah, the hopper's automatically feeding, so literally all you have to do is put in the pellets into that hopper, and I imagine it works on some kind of vacuum because it sucks it up and then feeds into the actual burner, which then runs the central heating system.
Okay, marvellous. All right, let's move into the second of the rooms here. Which is a bathroom. So this area here obviously services the pool, and when you're sitting out here, it's a large entertainment out here, covered and shady.
Sorry, it's a bit weird, there's two of you.
I'm probably... Okay, should I come back out?
Yeah.
Now, this is just storage, and I'll let Paul just go up there. It's an extensive area, and you can come up with all sorts of uses for this. I mean, you could fill it in, but the house is so large that you really don't need to.
No, it's just perfect
Great.
for storage, and you need storage.
Yeah. So having come out of the third door along, which was the area that went to the storage area above, we have this large shaded area here, and then we also can go into the double garage. Enormous space in here. You might have to take a moment for the light to adjust.
Fine.
Yeah, brilliant. So as you can see, I mean, it's a large 2-car garage, plenty of storage, plenty of space for 2 cars, and plenty of storage. And then from here, we'll flow across to the pool. There we go. So the pool is heated, so it can be used all year round. It's sheltered from the road and the wind by that hedgerow, which gives you privacy. It's actually very private. Although you do have neighbours, there's no one overlooking you here. And we can see this right-hand side. So you've got your existing trees and the pool there. I mean, that's very large. It's very, very nice, really attractive. And I do believe we seem to have a little duck. Obviously a rubber one. To summarise this property, stunning, large, 5-bedroom, great location, very private but not isolated at all. The pool, I haven't mentioned the dimensions. I think I've mentioned it's a heated pool. So you've got all year round use. It's 10 by 5. It's 2 metres deep at one end, so you can probably swim in this. So, yes, I hope you've liked the video. I hope we've given you a good idea of this property, the quality of the property and the finishings. It really is absolutely superb. Please do like and subscribe. See you next time.